how to overcome fear and insecurity. In the competitive world of coaching, consulting, and high-ticket services, fear and insecurity can hold you back from achieving success. Discover powerful strategies to overcome self-doubt, imposter syndrome, and fear of rejection in this comprehensive video. Embrace a growth mindset, celebrate your achievements, challenge negative self-talk, and build a supportive network. Learn how to recognize and overcome imposter syndrome, view failures as stepping stones, and cultivate emotional strength. Take the transformative journey to unlock your true potential, attract high-paying clients, and thrive in your business.
How to overcome fear and insecurity, a guide for coaches, consultants, and service providers. In the competitive world of coaching, consulting, and selling high-ticket products and services, fear and insecurity can often hinder success. Many professionals in these industries struggle with self-doubt, imposter syndrome, and fear of rejection, which can impede their ability to attract and convert high-paying clients. In this comprehensive guide, we will explore effective strategies to overcome fear and insecurity, empowering you to unlock your true potential and achieve remarkable results in your business. Fear and insecurity are emotional and psychological barriers that can hold you back from reaching your full potential. Fear is an unpleasant emotion caused by the anticipation of danger or threat, while insecurity refers to a lack of confidence or certainty in oneself. It's important to explore the specific situations and circumstances that often evoke fear and insecurity within your industry. This could include pitching to potential clients, public speaking, or even comparing yourself to competitors. To effectively overcome fear and insecurity, you must dig deeper into the root causes of these emotions. It could be past failures, negative experiences, or even childhood beliefs that have shaped your mindset and actions. Embracing a growth mindset means believing that your abilities and intelligence can be developed through dedication and hard work. This mindset allows you to see challenges as opportunities for growth and learning. Reflecting on your achievements, no matter how small, can help boost your self-confidence. Use these successes as evidence of your capabilities and remind yourself of your ability to overcome challenges. Positive affirmations are powerful tools for rewiring your subconscious mind. By consistently repeating positive statements about yourself, such as, "I am confident and capable," you can gradually change your beliefs and increase your self-confidence. Building a supportive network of like-minded individuals who uplift and inspire you is crucial. Surrounding yourself with positive influences can help counteract self-doubt and provide encouragement during challenging times. Recognizing imposter syndrome. Imposter syndrome is a psychological pattern where individuals doubt their accomplishments and fear being exposed as a fraud. Understanding the feelings of inadequacy and self-doubt associated with imposter syndrome is the first step to overcoming it. Challenge negative self-talk by questioning the validity of your self-doubt and replacing it with positive, empowering beliefs. Remind yourself of your qualifications, expertise, and the value you provide to your clients. Own and acknowledge your unique skills, knowledge, and experiences. Recognize that you have something valuable to offer and that your expertise is worthy of recognition. Constructive feedback from clients and colleagues can help validate your abilities and provide reassurance. Embrace feedback as an opportunity for growth and improvement, rather than as a reflection of your worth. View failures and rejections as opportunities for learning and growth. Understand that setbacks are a natural part of any journey to success and that they provide valuable lessons. Understand that rejection is not a reflection of your worth as a person or professional. It is simply a part of the process and doesn't define your abilities or potential for success. Extract valuable lessons from failures and use them to refine your approach. Each setback can provide insights and feedback that allow you to improve and become better equipped for future challenges. Building emotional strength is essential for bouncing back from disappointments. Cultivate resilience by developing coping mechanisms, practicing self-care, and staying focused on your goals despite setbacks. Break down larger objectives into manageable steps to maintain motivation and momentum. Setting achievable goals allows you to track progress and celebrate milestones along the way. Acknowledge and celebrate every milestone you achieve along your journey. By recognizing your progress, you reinforce positive behaviors and boost your confidence. Embrace new challenges and opportunities for growth. Stepping outside of your comfort zone is where the most significant growth happens. Take calculated risks and push yourself beyond your perceived limitations. Engage mentors, coaches, or accountability partners who can provide guidance and support. Having someone who believes in you and holds you accountable can be instrumental in overcoming fear. By implementing the strategies outlined in this guide, coaches, consultants, and service providers can conquer their fears, unlock their true potential, and attract high-paying clients with confidence. Remember, fear and insecurity are natural emotions, but they don't have to define your success. Embrace the journey, believe in your abilities, and watch your business thrive.
Discover a unique 5-step system named COM5 method that I am using to sell high-ticket coaching, training, and services using the power of artificial intelligence, one simple funnel, and social media paid ads. Go to my website com5method.com and sign up to watch your free video training. You will find the link to the website com5method.com somewhere on this video and the description section right below. If you have liked this video, make sure to hit the like button. Smash the like button right now before you go. While you are here, subscribe to my YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. If you do this, you will get notification when I release a new video on YouTube. On my YouTube channel, I am focusing in teaching you how to sell high-ticket, high-margin coaching, training, services, and luxury products. I will share with you my marketing tests that I am doing to attract paid and organic traffic and how I attract high-quality leads using YouTube and social media channels. Therefore, make sure to subscribe right now or you will miss all this valuable information and training. Comment and let me know one big idea that you have learned from this video. Also, let me know if you want me to create a video based on any questions you have relating to your business. Don't forget to share this video with your friends and family on social media and other channels. This motivates me to create new valuable content on regular basis. Thanks for watching this video and wish you all the very best and success, and see you in my next video.